I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how quickly you can install Easy Recipe to use and share your recipes on your site, which is great. It gives it certain encoding for search engines and just styles your recipes so they look consistent across your site. I will just be upfront, it's not my favorite plugin. It's something we use and use because there's enough benefits out of it, but like I really do hope somebody else comes up with something better, and that will eventually be something that themes are instituting more. But Foodie is set up for this one specifically, and it does work nicely and will look nice if you set it up correctly. To add it, I'm going to go to my dashboard, and it's a plugin that will install. So we'll just go to plugins, add new, and then if you search for Easy Recipe, we've got this one right here. There is a plus version. It's nice. You have a couple more options, but again, it's not, even that's not my favorite plugin. So if you can get by with the free version, that's probably what I would recommend. And to use it, well, let's actually go down and set up our settings. As you see, you have this new little menu down here. And if I click Easy Recipe, I can go and I can choose certain settings like displaying a print button or other options if you're having problems or whatever else. By default, it should be okay. The one thing you probably want to change is go to display style and then tastefully simple and click save settings. So now that I have this pretty much set up, I'm going to go create a new post and just enter some basic information so you can see how this is displayed. So on my new post, I'm going to say, I call it great recipe, something like that. And you've got this little add an easy recipe button in here, and it opens up this special menu and you'll be able to add certain details. I usually suggest like as much as fits or is appropriate. That's what I would put in there, but I'll just do a couple details. You don't need to add bullet points or numbers. Those will be automatically formatted. That's a terrible recipe, but I think it works for our purposes. It will default a couple other things, and I will fill out anything else. If you want to apply a photo to it, it does add that as well, which is nice and something I would suggest. Other serving size stuff, notes, and if I click add, this is what it looks like here. And if I publish my post and then go check it out, I now have this little recipe, and it looks pretty slick and simple, very similar to Foodie, and has the automatic print button so that if I click that, it opens up in a separate window and is printer friendly. So very easy to add, very nice, helpful, and fits in with Foodie very well.